video, I made these Hungarian-inspired floral designs. I'll be using these stencils on our newly decorated kitchen cupboards. It's all looking a bit bare, so we're going to add a splash of colour. I begin by removing everything from the worktops. I then stick the stencils to my cupboards using masking tape. I will be using acrylic paint for this project. I do a test before putting any paint on my cupboards. I get a thin layer of paint onto a sponge and dab it through the stencil. I don't want the sponge to be saturated, otherwise this could leak under the stencil and make a mess. I take the sponge to my kitchen cupboards, holding the stencils down flat and dabbing lightly, adding more colours as I go. After allowing the paint to dry, I carefully remove the stencils from the cupboards. I'm happy with the results, so now I'm just going to go around adding some extra details, as well as covering up this horrible mess I've made. I carry on adding more details to all the stencils. The project is complete. We now have some colour in our drab little kitchen.